Out here, on roads less traveled, in the place where adventure lives, you'll find the all-new 2024 Subaru Crosstrek right at home. Well equipped with standard Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive, the all-new Crosstrek also comes with a dependable and fuel-efficient 2-liter Subaru Boxer engine. And for those wanting more power on their adventures, an available 182 horsepower, 2.5-liter Subaru Boxer engine offers even more legendary capability. Dual-function X mode with hill descent control is available to maximize traction and control in difficult conditions. And with 8.7 inches of ground clearance, you can take harsh terrain in stride. With performance and capability like this, the Crosstrek is a vehicle you can trust. It's why Subaru has been named the most trusted brand for 8 consecutive years, according to Kelley Blue Book's KBB.com. When it comes to versatility and interior space, Crosstrek punches above its weight with up to 120.4 cubic feet of total interior room. More spacious than Hyundai Kona and Mazda CX-30. Available raised roof rails also allow the use of crossbars for extra carrying flexibility. The Subaru Crosstrek isn't just capable of getting you from the mountains to the beach and back, it's also designed with the level of safety you expect from a Subaru. Standard EyeSight driver assist technology with automatic pre-collision braking provides an extra set of eyes on the road to help keep you safe and reduce the chance of an accident. When it comes to the latest tech, the all-new Crosstrek offers convenient features, including an 11.6-inch high-resolution touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, and wireless charging, along with available Harman Kardon premium audio to help you stay connected whether you're on or off the grid. The all-new Subaru Crosstrek is also a vehicle you can count on to be there for you year after year and mile after rugged mile. 97% of Subaru Crosstrek vehicles sold in the last 10 years are still on the road today. More than Honda CR-V, Toyota RAV4, or Jeep Compass. Capable, dependable, safe, and long-lasting, the all-new 2024 Subaru Crosstrek is made for those with a love for adventure and the passion and desire to spend their lives finding it.